My Hisense dehumidifier has E9 code. How do I locate, remove, replace the humidity sensing module?
How old is your Hisense unit?
Less than 2 years, so it should be under warranty.
How long has this been going on with your Hisense dehumidifier? What have you tried so far?
I realized it wasn't working a day or two ago and saw the code. Cleaned filter. Turned off/on, still showed code. Unplugged unit. Code cleared and unit started but stopped again, same code.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Apparently the humidity sensor is not working properly, based on what I've researched so far. It may be fixable. My basement needs that unit to work. How do I remove, fix sensor, reinstall it?
Hi, my name is Em, your personal HVAC/high expert on JustAnswer. I'm sorry to hear you're having issues with your equipment today. I know firsthand how frustrating that can be. If you give me a few moments, I will provide a response to you on your issue. Hope you are doing well today. Can you give me the model number of the unit?
DH50K1W.
Thank you for that. Hisense does not publish the error code's meaning, but I can tell you from experience it's caused by a faulty humidity sensor, or the unit has a drain issue. Do you feel comfortable opening the unit up to get at the humidity sensor?
Not sure how to do that. Code is E9. Bucket was full several days ago but no sign of water since I emptied it.
I see. Let me double check something. If the unit is under warranty, I would not advise opening it up.
It should still be. It is less than 2 years old.
I'm trying to pull the service record now. Some come with 1 year. Okay, I do see it has a limited 2-year warranty. Let me pull the details, as opening the unit will void the warranty. You'll be best served by letting them repair or replace it. Here's Hisense's appliance warranty contact, 1-.
Okay. I will call to find out how to get warranty repair.
To summarize the answer, E9 is an issue with the humidity sensor. It will need to be replaced in order for the unit to operate. The warranty info was provided above. Please let me know if you have any other questions or concerns. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. If you need anything at all, just send a message and I will respond as soon as I can. Have a blessed day, Tamar.
Thanks.
Just checking in to wish you well and make sure I've given you the final response. No need to respond unless you still require assistance or you have another question or concern for me to address. Wishing you the very best. Tamar.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.